Welcome to Seed to Life. If you have watched my previous videos, you probably know that I focus mainly on edible and medicinal plants. I was gardening mostly in the backyard, but recently we have added some more growing space to our front yard, and I have been collecting a lot of seeds and bulbs to fill up my front yard now. I had beautiful roses here, both knockout and hybrid, filling up that space, but unfortunately the roses got affected by the infamous rosette disease, and now I have almost a blank landscape. So here are some bulbs of Ranunculus or buttercups that I'm going to add to my front yard. These bulbs are dormant, and once I plant them, they will start growing. Buttercups are cute looking flowers that bloom in early spring through early summer for about 4 to 6 weeks. These are supposed to be planted in December through January for the blooms that will continue from April to May for about 6 weeks. These bulbs can survive outdoors in the soil if you live in the USDA zones 8 through 10, and I am in zone 8A. But many times we get week-long freezes when temperatures go below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and these bulbs will get destroyed by the low temperatures. So at least this year, since it is my first year growing buttercups, I am not going to risk all my bulbs by planting them outside directly. Instead, we are going to start them indoors. I have a pack of mixed colors and other is the sunset orange. So let's start. These are the bulbs. You can see they are completely dried, and each bulb has these multiple roots. And the first step is to soak them in water and hydrate them. So let's do that. So we will leave them here for about 2 to 3 hours, and I'm going to check on them in between if they are really expanding, because they should swell up when they absorb water. After about 3 hours, the roots are thoroughly hydrated and they are ready for planting. I am now going to start them in these starter pots. You can plant them directly in bigger pots, but I'm going to keep them, I'm going to start them individually because I have not planned exactly where I want to plant them. For activating these bulbs, I'm using a simple mixture of equal parts of peat moss and perlite, and to that I'm going to add some vermicompost as a fertilizer. I should have used a pre-moisten mix instead of a dry mix. It is easier to water pre-moisten mix after planting. Okay, I'm done with planting now, and we just wait and hope that they all sprout. It has been 3 weeks since I planted the bulb, and this is how the plants are looking now. You can see almost all are sprouting, and there are some, I think the soil is very dry, so they will sprout later, but they are all healthy and they are sprouting, so they didn't rot. Started them in a very small pot, so it's like the water was draining out very easily, and yeah, they all are doing great. In about a week or so, I will move them to bigger pots. So for now, this is it. Let me know if you found this video useful, and I will make an update video soon when the plants are ready.
Thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.